Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. Happy Friday. Alright, so we're going on a little adventure. Canada is big, and I live in Alberta, and Alberta is really big, and so we've decided to do a little touring because I want to travel. But we have a saying in Jamaica: you have to dance a yard before you dance abroad. And so I'm gonna explore what's around me as the Lord elevates me and opens the door for that's what's beyond these borders. So I made a little surprise board. So when I peel off one of these, we're gonna find out where we're gonna go, and you get to come with me, so stay tuned. So I found out where we're going today from my little board. If you want to see when I reveal it again, let me know in the comments and I'll do that. But so we're going to Bear Spa. So let me read a little bit about Bear Spa for you. It says that Bear Spa is rural. Google, get yourself together. Bear Spa is a rural area in southern Alberta, Canada, in Rocky View County. It has a population of 5,567 people. That's crazy. The original inhabitants of the Bear Spa area were the Citipai and the Citipai. I'm not sure. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Or Blackfoot Nation. The Blackfoot Nation consisted of 4 different tribes: Siksika, Piegan, Blackfeet, Piegani Nation, and Kanai. Anyway, I'm gonna see what Bear Spa have to offer, and you guys get to come with me. So let's go to Bear Spa. It's a cute little clock. Hotel de Ville de Paris. Oh, this is a nice. Oh. I'll have to find something, a little treasure to take with me.
Maybe the person who died and walking out there.
See her there again. Queenie. I wonder. So look at these little statue monument thingies. We're gonna go inside this place.
Why?
At the Studio West Bronze Foundry and Gallery. You know bronze? Like you go gold, silver, and bronze in medal placements. That's where we are. Look at my guy. We're in Cochrane, by the way. We went to Bear Spa, but to be honest, there wasn't much to see or do. So we went to the little town that is closest, which was Cochrane. And now we're at this place, and we're about to see what it's about. And yeah, so stay tuned.
Original model. My husband carved that out of wax. These were done by my father in plaster of Paris, and I made Annie and her wagon out of clay. So what I'm really saying is it doesn't matter what the original model is. What we do in the foundry is make a rubber mold on that one side and then the other. And here's that mold, so you can still see the little bear. We make it in 2 halves so we can take the mold.
This is a beautiful piece. Oh my God.
It's huge.
It's
How long did this one take to make?
Our statues of that size take a year,
Jeez.
but we've done 8 of him.
Hi, my friend. How are you?
limited. That's life size.
It is.
And
Yeah, I think I've seen at Calgary Airport.
yes, and
I think I've
standing
seen
in
it.
water.
Yeah.
This is huge. Like, look at
I
him.
think that's life size, eh?
Yes, because he's taller than you.
Yeah, it's taller than me.
Yes.
Wow.
So when I go to the airport, I need to take me a picture beside the.
Who they're for. That was for the airport.
Okay.
And this one is for the community of Elbow Valley.
Okay.
The other 6 are in private estates. The most recent we delivered was to Montana, and it's in the people's foyer in front of a waterfall in their house. Those are the kind of people that buy them.
She did say realistic. Yeah.
Like children's. And they hold their pencil and
Just like that.
they touch them. And that's the nice thing about rocks, is you're welcome to touch them.
Yes.
Look at the little fishy.
This is so. I mean, you could do usage mold.
We have, she has twins every year. 2
Wow. So you have that in your yard. Well, I mean, if you're gonna work here, you should have your own. I agree. If you're gonna put all this effort in for someone else, you should have something at home to say. You know,
Sometimes you just have to have it.
This is history. Like again, you go into places, you buy stuff, you don't normally get to meet the people.
The people who
make
actually
them.
make them.
And then with that,
This is one of the things that I was talking about. So much things there are Canadian, and we would go into a place.
yes, I would
and
never see
so-
that in the airport and go, oh,
It's made in Canada,
It's in Cochrane.
or even that you would probably get to meet the people who actually
Labored on it,
like
and to see the process.
and the process.
And you know what? It also teaches you to have an appreciation for pricing. Because sometimes you see these things and you're like,
Yeah.
I'm not paying $5,000 for
Exactly.
that. But then when you hear how long it takes someone to do it, and just the sweat and the labor that goes
Yeah.
into it, then you understand why. And
Yeah.
All right. So, there's a crossing here. Well, I'm really not serious. Woo. I'm now at the supermarket because we're finished with our little adventure for today. But because I'm trying to do a carb deficit and eating clean or whatever, even for the first week of the year. So I've been on this spinach. It's really good though, I won't lie. It's like frozen spinach, so you just cook it up. It's easy, convenient, because like days when I leave work, I can just pop it in the pot, and in another 15 minutes, not even so much, 10, and it's cooked. And I only have to cook it that long because it's frozen. If it weren't frozen, it'd be much quicker. So yeah, let's grab it. I'm actually looking for granola. Premium organic granola. I'm gonna buy this one. Never tried that one before. Okay, here we go. $7.99. So I got all that I need, and I'm learning to not come into the supermarket and go off tangents. So yeah, that's all I need, and I'm gonna go cash out and go home. Yeah. So guys, I was in the midst of editing the video and I realized that I didn't close out the video. Thank you so much for watching. I know we started off on a slow run with our adventure. It's more for those who love history and love gathering information, but we have other exciting adventures coming up. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and like the video. Guys, thank you so much. Sorry for the video late. Oh Lord, it's gonna be up on Saturday for sure. But guys, until next week's upload, which I know you're gonna enjoy, stay tuned and bye bye.